Hi everyone, this is Kelly Hightower and I'm going to teach you how to make a peanut butter pie. Step 1 to making a peanut butter pie is to gather your materials. You'll need a large mixing bowl, an electric mixer, a measuring cup, and a spoon. Step 2 is to gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 pie crust, and you can use any flavor pie crust you'd like. I usually like to use chocolate because I think the chocolate crust mixes really nicely with the peanut flavor of the pie. You'll need 1 block of cream cheese. I usually use fat-free or reduced fat, but you can use regular cream cheese if you'd prefer. You'll need 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, and I use reduced fat usually or fat-free, but you can use the regular kind. You'll need 1 cup of confectioner sugar, also known as powdered sugar, and you'll need 1 cup of crunchy peanut butter. Of course, you're welcome to use creamy peanut butter if you prefer that, but I really like to have the crunchy pieces of peanuts mixed throughout the pie when I'm eating it. The next step is to take your block of cream cheese and 1 cup of confectioner sugar and put them in the bowl together. So of course you will need to measure out your sugar with the measuring cup before you put it in the bowl. Then you will use the electric mixer to mix the cream cheese and confectioner sugar until they're smooth, and when you're finished it should look something like the picture. The next step is to add all 8 ounces of Cool Whip to the cream cheese sugar mixture, and then you will use the electric mixer to mix the Cool Whip in with the cream cheese and the sugar, and it should look something like the picture when you're finished. Next, you will add 1 cup of your peanut butter to the mixture, so you will need to measure it out with a measuring cup before you add it into the bowl. And you will use the electric mixer to mix your peanut butter in until it's evenly distributed with the rest of the ingredients. And then you'll pour your pie filling into the pie crust, and you'll want to use a spoon to smooth it out so that it looks nice in the crust. And finally, you will take the plastic lid that came with your crust and put it back on top of your pie. And then you'll want to refrigerate the pie until you serve it, but definitely don't forget to enjoy a slice or two. So that is how you make a peanut butter pie. Thank you.